Hey, how's everybody doing? Boy, we're getting a whopper of a storm over here. I gotta switch hands, this one's shaky. So, they're round one of the snow removal here on the deck. And, see, years ago I cut a section of the railing here because it was the best way to remove the snow. And as you could see, this is full. Oh, yeah. Whoa. And I was lucky enough to give him the day off. I thank you very much. In return, I am out here getting some exercise at my own pace. And even though I have a plow guy that comes here, he comes at a time where I'm normally not up or whatever. So I'm getting some exercise, and then by doing that, I'll be better at work. And the first round of getting dug out here from the big storm, yeah, so when he plows around the car, at least he has that area, that buffer area there. Yeah. I would say we probably got a foot here. And this is what winter's about. And people have started getting dug out first round here. And there's my buried 1998 Ford F-150 here. My goodness. So, hey, this is the real deal, man. This is the real deal. Ah, yes. Being bearded and 58 years old, man. This is the rebirth of man bark. Have a good day.